I was going through some boxes. I was looking for a barrel connector. I found one, but that's pretty big. I don't know. Would you use that? So anyway, yeah, this is pretty cool. So I've had this in my collection for quite a while. I bought this at a yard sale up in Sequim, Washington. I believe I paid like $3 to $5 for this. I know it wasn't much. I like the styling of it. I think this is like really cool styling. Yeah, that's pretty neat. So I didn't really know much about Apollo, and actually I still don't, but it's Apollo Products, and they were out of Vaughansville, Ohio. Hope I'm not butchering that name. And they made apparently a big legal limit antenna tuner back in '79. It had the same kind of color and styling as this. I know they make the 500X2, the 100X2 sweep tube linear amplifiers, and apparently they're pretty good. So anyway, yeah, this is pretty neat. I like how they did this. So you have input, ground plane, beam, and auxiliary. So you could put like vertical, horizontal on there if you wanted, or if you just have a straight up Yagi beam, whether it's horizontal or vertical, you put that there, and a dummy load there. Now that's probably what I probably would have done, but you know, I like that flexibility on the front. User controls are, you have, you know, the ground plane up top, which is pretty cool, and then beam and auxiliary. I'm glad that the other owner didn't like Dynamo label it or anything like that. It's a 1500X2 inside. It's pretty nice. It's a little dirty, but I like the construction. By the way, one thing I liked about this is the little rubber feeties are riveted on. So, you know, modern product today would be a little rubber nubby on there, just glued on, or, you know, double stuck or whatever. And here's our little rotary ceramic type switch. And our chassis mount, panel mount connectors. You know, it'd be cool, like take a nut bolt star washer with an eyelet on each one of those, and then just take a shield and go straight across all of them. I think that'd be kind of cool. I may actually do that. Does it need it? And probably not, but these are riveted in, and with me owning it, it'll probably see more use than it ever has, because there's really no wear marks so on the paint. It's just got surface corrosion. I may try to get that off. Anyway, that's kind of a cool piece. I thought you guys would be interested in seeing that. I don't see this kind of stuff very often anymore, so. Alright, thanks for watching. Yeah, after I shut the camera off, I thought, you know, I'm going to get some of my stuff out here and see if I can make this thing look a little bit better. And as you can see, I couldn't get all the pitting out, but I got a lot of the discoloration out. And I didn't want to damage this silk screening on here, because right here on the bottom of the S, right there, it's kind of starting to rub off, but that's pretty much about it. So yeah, I got the knob all cleaned up, and so I had a couple ways I could do this. I could use like the old TR3 type stuff. I forgot what they call it, rub out or something, renews it or something now, but I could have done that. I could have done like a toothpaste or something, but like I was saying, I don't want to degrade that beautiful artwork there in that silk screening. So what I decided to do was take the long way home, and I used my Meguiar's ScratchX 2.0. This stuff is my backup stuff. This is what I use to refurb pretty much everything. I use this on turntable covers, CB radio faces, the chrome bezels, meters. You can make a meter look brand new with this stuff. Then I treated the little ceramic switch with deox. Oh, you can't do that, 390. Oh, yes, you can. And I got a lot of spuzz out of there. So that's nice inside there. And then, of course, I went above and beyond the Call of Duty, and I thought, you know, I'm going to protect this for a while. I'm actually going to put this in use. Yeah, I'm working on my bench, Messy's bench. Don't worry about it. I'm going to put it over there, and I'm actually going to utilize this because it came out really nice. All right, there you go. You know, it's pitted, but she looks a heck of a lot better than it did at the beginning of this video. All right, I'll leave links to this stuff below. If any of you guys do any sort of work, whether it's electronic repair work on CBs or you just collect old CBs, you want to make an old CB look new again, I recommend this stuff. Highly recommend this. This is my favorite. Out of all the other products I've tried, I still keep going back to this. And then I like their Canuba wax. And of course, Deox. So I'll leave a link to this on Amazon, but I want to do a quick shout out to RadioShack.com. Yes, Radio Shack. Once in a while, you can get a good deal on this on the RadioShack.com. But anyway, if you want it like now, then I'd get it on Amazon because Radio Shack took like forever to bring my last Deox order to me. But yeah, I'm not going to repaint it or nothing. It came out really nice. Slick. Boy, I wish the front came out like that. Look at that. Mercy.